guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this very autumnal nail art design using the Light Elegance Spice collection. It's a stunning autumnal themed collection which is just so up my street. So my client that I'm working on already has some Lecente Create Gel Polish on, so I'm just scuffing up the top, wrapping them in some foil and then leaving them on for 10 minutes before going in and removing them.
Don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool.
Once all the product's removed, I'm just going in with my Lecente Cuticle Pusher. I'm just pushing back all of the cuticle, and I just want to give a shout out to this cuticle pusher because it's very quickly become one of my favourites. So I'm just pushing this back and then using my e-file with a flame bit to just go through and remove any non-living tissue that's left on the nail plate.
I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind.
So to start the application, I'm just taking my Vita Prime, and this is the first of two bonding agents that I'm going to use. So I'm just taking the Vita Prime and putting a tiny drop right in the centre of the nail, and that's just going to naturally disperse over the whole nail and create really great adhesion for the Gemma gel that's going to be going on later on. Once that's air dried a little bit, I'm taking Tack and I'm just scrubbing that into each of the nails and capping the free edge really well. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds.
I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool.
Once that's all cured, I'm taking my Gemma gel and I'm going to be doing a thin-ish layer over every single one of the nails, and I'm going to be capping the free edge really well. Once that's being cured, I'm going to take another little dollop and pop it sort of towards the middle upper half of the nail, and then I'm going to just wiggle that down the whole nail just to create a really nice structure to the nail plate.
I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool.
The first colour that I'm going in with is Fast Lane, which is a buttercream, and it's this stunning sort of browny red, but I thought it just paired really well with the kind of curry on colour from the new Spice collection. So I'm just using my oval Light Elegance gel brush to put that on both the middle finger and the thumb. I did do 2 coats, but I didn't film the second coat because I just thought that wasn't really necessary. So this is me just applying the first coat and then curing and then applying a second coat after that. Curry on is this amazing burnt orange. It's honestly my favourite colour in the whole world. I love this so much. And I'm just applying this over all of the other nails. I'm just using the same brush, and again I did 2 coats but only filmed 1 and just made sure to cap the free edge really well. The ring finger, just to add a little bit of sparkle, I'm taking Paprika from the Spice collection, which again is this really stunning kind of burnt orangey glitter. I'm just obsessed with it, and I'm putting that on the ring finger using the flat gel brush from Light Elegance. For the nail art detail, I'm using primary black gel paint, which basically means that it's incredibly opaque and it's just an amazing product to do any kind of nail art or detail work. and I'm just putting that onto my little palette, and then using the Lecente S1 brush, which is one of my favourite striping brushes, nail art brushes that I've ever found, and just using that to create all the little details on both the pinky and the index finger. Once that's all cured, I'm just taking the same colours that we used before, so the Paprika Glitter and the Fastlane Buttercream, and I'm using it on this small detail brush from the Selena Ryden collection, and I'm just kind of filling in little gaps. So some of them I'm leaving blank with the Curry On, some I'm filling in with Paprika, and some with the Fastlane colour, and just making it look a little bit random. Once everything's cured, I'm just going in with my super shiny top coat, which is one of my favourite top coats of all time. It really is super shiny. Curing it in the lamp, sticking on some Light Elegance Cuticle Oil, and we're all done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys shortly. Bye!